So it is definitely it's definitely a criteria. I wouldn't say it's the main criteria. So if we look here, you'll see it's one of a few bullets. So you've earned certification. We typically look for multiple certifications. I would say at a baseline, it's typically at least a CSWP as well as others. You're right. And yeah, you just mentioned a lot of champions are not CSWEs, but there are quite a bit who are, right? If you think about it from a numbers perspective, um, CSWEs make up like less than 1% of SOLIDWORKS users, right? But then you think about champions, right? Like those who have been in the community probably for a while are heavily certified. You'll probably find more of a volume of CSWE just in that group. But by definition, right, just because there aren't as many CSWEs as you would think, um, potentially, it's not like every champion's a CSWE. So in terms of that question of like certification, just as a general topic, um, I think it's important to be certified, right? I think it's important to, because I think it shows that you value your own improvement, testing your own skills, but also that you're probably more likely to kind of spread that value to your own communities as well. I think being involved in online and offline context is another key part, because we talk about acknowledging and connecting community members from around the world who go above and beyond, sharing their passion and expertise. And you share that by getting involved in things like user groups. You share that by, making great educational content online. You share that by being involved in the SOLIDWORKS user forums. There's a lot of ways you could do that beyond what I just said, right? But those are some maybe more typical ways. So those are some big things, as well as adopting that community-driven approach to software development. Again, like participating in alpha and beta testing, submitting enhancement requests, like those sorts of things where you're just trying to make the product and the community better, which is really what encapsulates these bullets here. I think that's just like the total package. Um, I would say there are also there are a lot of user group leaders in the program. Like Prasad, you're a great example, right? A lot of user group leaders in the program, and of course, Prasad, you can attest. Like being a group leader is certainly not the easiest thing you can do, right? Because you do have to do a lot in terms of promoting your group, making sure people know like when the next presentation is going on, what it's all about. Going to the user group leader meetings with Dan and folks here at SolidWorks. And so there's a lot that goes into that from a volunteering perspective, which we totally appreciate. But that's another kind of huge involvement kind of area.